Okay, let's see the improved software. So we have here the buttons and we have here the motors, Segway motors, and we have the TI board, which is F28069 with DRV 8305. I will use to power this up with a common 5-volt power bank. Let's search for a short cable to power it up, and there we go. I have a short cable here, so we will connect the short cable. And what I did is enable very high speed. Okay, so now I will connect it, power up the power to the motors and the power bank, and now we will test it. Okay, so this is speeding forward. You can hear the sound of the motor because they are accelerating, and if I will leave the button it will immediately stop. Not very immediately because sorry for this, because what I did is let's say I can of course stop it immediately, but this will be of course very dangerous. So it is stopping it by deaccelerating. Okay, so the other side, this is the other side, the down or the backward, reverse, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we can see this motor going this way, and the forward, now I'm pressing the forward, is the other way. And now I will do a right turn. A right turn of course will enable the left motor, depending how it is installed, and the other button will be the other motor. And if you can see, I have limited the speed of this one. Also I can speed up and then do a right turn. What is happening is that one motor is faster than the other. It is hard to see, but it is, believe me. And again, one side, other side, this is the turns, and both for forward and the other direction for reverse. Now I want you to hear the sound of the speed, accelerating very fast. And if I will leave it, it will stop fast. That's all.